Meaning of fencing.
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 Fencing. Fencing is a sport that involves two competitors attempting to score points against each other with a foil, épée, or saber. The goal is to touch the opponent with the weapon while avoiding being touched oneself. Fencing requires speed, agility, strategy, and precision, making it both physically and mentally challenging. Fencers wear protective gear and abide by strict rules and regulations. Fencing has been an Olympic sport since the first modern Olympics in 1896 and continues to be enjoyed by both amateur and professional fencers around the world.